In this video, I'm going to show you how you can bet on Jesus Christ come back in a few steps. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So for this, we will be using this platform called Polymarket, where you can basically invest or bet on anything you can imagine. So firstly, you will need to create an account. I will leave my referral link on the description below, and you will get a special offer and a bonus on your first deposit of at least $20. So after you deposit right here and have your cash, if you want to bet on this, you just need to search for Jesus Christ right here, and we are going to bet on this one right here. So as you can see, the chance right now is 5%. So if you think that Jesus Christ will return before 2027, so in this year he should return, you can bet right here. For example, this is the amount of money you will get if you bet $50, and if you bet no, then the chances are higher, so this is the amount you will win. After you bet right here, you can sell your shares wherever you want. You can sell yes here, so you will get your money back and you will get your profit or your losses depending on how it went, and then you can click on cash and you can withdraw your money to your wallet. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.